You can get job servicing client even though you do not have any experience or you do not have any portfolio to show. And today I will show you exactly how I create my own portfolio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Recently, I have been receiving tons of questions regarding today's topic, and that is how do I close or get the client if I do not have any past experience or I do not have any portfolio to show the client. But the thing is, everybody starts from zero. I started from nothing as well. And of course, there are some steps that you can take to close the client, right? Once you have an inquiry, you need to convince the client to engage your services. I did mention some methods in just some of my recent videos, and I mentioned that if you do not have any past experience, you can actually purchase the service and use it for your own business, and you can use that as your sample job. For example, if you are creating a job servicing website and you engage Fiverr freelancer to help you build the website, then you can show your own website, for example. And the second method is, I did advise you to look around your friends, your network, who needs the service that you are providing, and then tell the person that you will be offering your service for free. In return, your friend need to give you a testimonial and also use that as a sample job. That is the two ways that you can use. But today I will have the third method, that you can create your own portfolio. So I mentioned before that portfolio is not necessarily something that you have closed before, that you have sold before. So today's video is going to be very, very helpful to you because you just need to create a portfolio, alright? Before I start today's tutorial, I will be answering one of the subscribers' question, and this question actually leads to today's video. So this question is by Dodger Palmer. I need more help in how to actually sell or close a deal as a complete beginner. In other words, I can't create a Fiverr account and charge a premium rate with no experience or reviews. Or do I pitch the services, for example, SEO to local businesses? Thanks, love your videos. So thank you for your question, Dodger Palmer. So one thing I want to remind you is that based on my teachings, I do not drop service on Fiverr platform. I only engage the Fiverr freelancer to help me do the job. In terms of listing the services, I do not list on Fiverr. The reason being is that, as you know, Fiverr, the prices are all very competitive. It's very difficult for you to get a decent profit. So I do not advise you guys to go and drop service on Fiverr. For those of you who have been following me throughout my 2 years of drop servicing sharing, I always encourage you guys to build a brand. Then you can charge a higher price. So regarding your question on how do you close the client even without any portfolio, the tutorial will be coming right up. As for the reviews, I mentioned just now that you can actually find your friends or your network, whoever wants your service, and you give them for free, then you request for the review. So that is how you get a review. And to your last question, do you pitch the services to your local client? Yes, that is correct. I would recommend you to promote your services to your local client because you understand better, and do find out who are your target audience. So right now, I'll be showing you on my screen how I create the portfolio. So the objective of this portfolio is ideal for beginners who do not have a website, and you need to create a portfolio to show your work and to show who you are on a presentation, or what we call this your portfolio. So this portfolio is very important. It is a very good tool for you to convert your prospective client to become your paying client. To create this portfolio, we will be using Canva.com, and you just need to use the free account. So on the Canva search bar here, you can just key in either portfolio to see what are the templates available, and just use those templates. There are a lot of free templates available. So there are some which is landscape, some are the portrait layout. So I like to use the portrait layout, and you can see there are a lot of templates. See which one that you prefer, or you can even combine a few and then make it into your own one. Alright. So of course, some of the templates are pro. That means you need to pay for the subscription or pay for the credit to Canva. But there are a lot of templates which are free. So all these are free. Another term that you can search is the rate card. So I like to use the rate card because you can put in our rates onto our portfolio. Rate card. Yep, so this is the rate card. So I feel that the rate card is more suitable for us. And there are so many templates that you can use. Okay, I have already done one based on this template over here. Okay, this template, okay, the rate card. So my template, you can see, is the one that I recently used, can be found on the left side. So I use this one. So I use this template here. So I just need to change up the photos. And one thing good about Canva is this kind of royalty-free images can be downloaded from Canva itself. So you just need to go to Photos on your left side and you can search for royalty-free images, alright, to replace it. And let me zoom in for you. This is how my portfolio looks like. So just my brand and then about us. So this is something good if you do not have a website and you just want to show all the highlights of your brand to the client. So this is more convincing because you have everything laid out for them to see. Alright, the first session I have is about me, about us. So what we do, what kind of videos I do, what kind of services that I do. And at this side here, I have services and rates. So I do list down the services that I have. Of course, there are more, but I only list down the main services and also the price. The price, because you see, there will be a range of prices and it depends on what's your client's requirement. And I will just put from how much, okay, the minimum price that I will be charging, okay, based on the lowest price, I will be just putting, like, for example, the very basic video editing, I'll be charging from $100. Yeah, that's my most basic package for video editing. Okay, after that, I put in a contact here. So the contact you can put email, can put the website if you have. And then on the second page, that's where I put the project portfolio. So one thing is, because for job servicing, you do not have any previous job. If you manage to offer anybody, any of your friends, to take up your service for free, then you can put in the portfolio. If you do not have, then you can get the freelancer that you are going to engage, get their sample jobs, and then download that sample job. And after that, put a link on this portfolio itself. I will show you exactly how it's done. For example, you have already downloaded this document into PDF. You can also make it clickable. This is an online business and we do not really meet the client. So you just need to forward this PDF copy to your client. And your client can actually click on every single picture. Okay, you can make it that way. Let me show you what I meant. For example, I have this 3D animated promotional video. I just need to click here. And I already have a link inside.
I'm looking for seafood supplier, but no idea where to start.
So I already uploaded this video, this portfolio, onto my YouTube channel. Okay, this YouTube channel is the Creative Guys YouTube channel, which is my creative agency. If you do not have a YouTube channel and you do want to use YouTube, then you can also use Google Drive. So I'll be showing you how I put the link. So for Google Drive, you can just upload the video. So example, this Fiverr freelancer sent you a file, a MP4 file, okay? MP4 file, and then you just need to upload it. So click new on this Google Drive. You can upload the file, click here, and you just upload the video sample. So this video sample is sent to me by the Fiverr freelancer that I have engaged. He sent me 4 samples. Let's say I select this one. And then, so this is the video. So this is the video that I've uploaded to my Google Drive, okay? So what you need to do next is to right click and then get the link. You can share this, get the link. So you see, for Google Drive, right, the link will be restricted, but you need to change it, okay? If it's restricted, means your client might not able to view the video. So you need to change it to anyone with the link. Change this one, and then just copy the link, click here, copy link, and then go back to Canva, your rate card, okay, escape. And for example, I want to put in the link onto this picture here, okay? Need to click the picture and then click the link. Okay, click the link. This is the link icon. and then you paste the link just now that you have copied, and that's it. You see, you can replace all these images. Like for example, I want to change this photo to just for example, okay, I want to change it. You just need to drag the picture that you have selected and then just put it over, and that's it. Yeah, it's very easy. It's very easy to use. So Canva is a very fantastic tool to help us as a job servicer. Okay, right now the magic thing is that let me just now here the Toon Club over here do not have any link. So let me share the presentation again. Okay, and now it's clickable. I click here, and so now you can see that it goes to my Google Drive. So your client can actually download this. Oh, because I just uploaded this, so it's still processing the video. Let's say it has finished processing, then the video will appear here. Yeah, it's just like the YouTube video, it will appear. Okay, otherwise you need to download. You need to ask the client to download. Many of you have the concern if you are showing your client the sample job, but it's not yours, right? It's the freelancer's job. But the thing is, you're not displaying it. You're not displaying it on your website. You're not displaying it publicly. You are just sending it privately to your client, because we are sending the whole rate card to your client, right? This rate card here is like your hidden portfolio is behind all these pictures. Okay, but of course it's easier if you just sign up a YouTube channel and you just just upload the video. But one thing I want to advise you is you can set it to private. YouTube is where I host all the portfolio. So okay, once you're at this your channel content, you can you can change the visibility. For example, this one I don't want to make it public. You just need to click here. Instead of public, you go to unlisted. Put there unlisted, so it's not really in public, so people can't really search for this video unless people with this link, then they can. Otherwise, you can also put it private, but private you need to add your client, so it's a bit troublesome. I suggest you to just put unlisted. Now back to the portfolio. I did receive a question recently from a subscriber also asking me how about those portfolio on SEO services. Okay, this one is also very simple. The first step is you ask your Fiverr freelancer for their jobs. Okay, let's say the Fiverr freelancer is going to give you a few websites that they have done the SEO service. Then ask them to provide which are the websites that they have done. So this is even simpler because you do not need to involve any media. There's no video, there's no photo, there's no logo, right? So this is even easier. Same goes to social media accounts, social media marketing. You can just ask for the social media URL. The project portfolio is either you put all the links. You can either put picture here. If you don't want to put picture, you can put just links. Project portfolio can be the websites. So let's say you have gotten 5 website links from this Fiverr freelancer, then you just insert 5 links over here instead of pictures. But of course, pictures look better, look cooler. You just need to instruct your client that you need to ask them click on the picture to view their portfolio. So that's it. It's very simple. Moving on, once you have a lot of, you have worked with some client, you can also input in your brands that you have worked with. So these are very important because this one is like your resume, your digital resume, right? So you have who you have worked with, or you can even put testimonials. So if you have testimonial, you can put over here. So this is very simple. It's up to you. You do not need to really follow exactly how I do it. You can reference with another type of templates or on Canva itself. You just need to click here to search for more. So let's say you want to search for more portfolio. Okay, there's not much. Okay, rate card. Oh, another one is called Media Kit. Media Kit is the template is suitable for us to use as well. So you see Media Kit, right? There are a lot of individual freelancers that they promote their services and they put a Media Kit there like this, you know. Yeah, so you can take a look at how they do it, and also, you know, then you can do a new template for yourself. So that's it. That's how you create your own portfolio if you are a beginner in job servicing and you do not have anything to show. So with this portfolio, you'll be able to convince your client easily, and because it looks much more professional, you have everything listed down nicely for your client to consider your service. I hope this tutorial is helpful for your job servicing business. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below and I will try to do a video for you. If you're interested to learn more about job servicing, other tips that I have a whole playlist on how you can start your own job servicing business and other tutorials which are very important to build your very own job servicing business over here. So make sure that you check them out and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!